I just filmed a video for my Patreon. It'll be in the link below if you want to go watch it. I tried an assortment of beverages and saw, or I don't even know where I'm going with this. And you can see which one won. There's a bunch of them. You can see. It'll be in the link. But I got a new mic. It's right here. Can you hear me? Hello. So I figured I would drink the rest of this one that was left over from my Patreon video on here to test out my new mic for you guys. Hope you like it. I think it makes the burp quality sound superb. Okay, here we go. Sounded good, huh? I really like this new mic. I also do videos on Patreon. It's kind of like Snapchat almost, but it's like, you know, or the IG stories where you can post, and I post on there almost every day. I try to post every day, but almost every day. So if you want more daily burps, feel free to join my Patreon. I'm planning on doing a mukbang tomorrow, but we'll see. I hope you like that. Tell me if you like my new mic and video ideas you guys want to see down below in the comments. Thank you. Oh, and a big thank you for 500 subscribers. Now I'm on my way to 1,000, and hopefully I'll get there soon because that would be awesome. I guess I'll do one more burp with what's left in here. That was nothing.